morning, my beautiful people. So this morning we'll come in with our next video about some ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling. We already boiled the saltfish already. Put the camera guys. Show that say we already put on the saltfish and boil on the fire. Yeah, so this is my small son. Me and him gonna cook ackee and saltfish in the kitchen this morning.
And make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned and watch how I go on.
So this is the way I prepare. I make sure prepare the natural season, which is scallion, tomato, sweet pepper, onions. That's gonna go in the ackee and saltfish. So we're preparing it right now. So stay tuned and watch how I go on. Alright guys, I just this is the flour we're gonna use for your fried dumpling. You know what I mean? Yeah? 1.5. Yeah. 1.5, yeah.
Like this, you know, like, you know, I'm telling you, you can capture that.
You can capture that part, yeah.
I see when I go there, see, you know, what people like in a, like in a song. So see like that now, somebody talk, somebody.
Alright guys, so people, you can use water or whatever your choice you want to use, but I use milk to meal up my fried dumpling when I'm doing it. You know what I mean? So I use milk. I don't know how much milk, that's a 1 cup. Yes guys, so now I'm getting this dumpling in the pot right now. How I make it is just like, you know, roll up like this.
So did you want orange or no?
About 10 of them can hold in this and more. Whole heap of dumpling. Fried dumpling. Yes guys, so this is how you do it. Alright guys, so we're putting the natural seasoning in our pot. We get the ackee and the saltfish. time I dumpling over there. And steam cook. Alright guys, so I add the saltfish to the natural season that we put. You know what I mean? And for this we have to add a little black pepper to it. So a little black pepper to this. It's a little bit. Stir it. Nice and beautiful. Cooked. Yes guys, so I'm just turning these dumplings
Not the top.
golden brown.
Then, orange juice.
So Grace Ackee in saltfish water. In saltfish water. Grace Ackee, you know. This is how we do it in Canada. Then we stir. You can't make it mash up still, and you have to give it lightly stir. Cause you know why you have to keep mash up on them something. You want to know you eat ackee and saltfish. And this is how we do it, guys. You know what I mean? This is how we do it. Well colorful. You know? Well colorful ackee and saltfish. And that's how we got it. So stay tuned and watch what we're going, guys.